So good morning guys. So this is the day that we're going to Waterton Park. This is our first overnight vacation together. So we're having coffee first. So we are here in
Claresholm.
Claresholm, Alberta. It's a small town. We're just going to pee. Yes, my gallbladder is
Your gallbladder.
about to explode. Looks like alien.
Yeah, no, right. Okay, like they're everywhere.
There's like thousands of windmill here in Windmill, Canada. I don't know the place is called, but there's lots of windmill for sure. Oh, there's lots of baka.
Mostly black, some brown.
Party party.
Uh,
So we are here in the campground, Cardstone Country, and this one is amazing. It's a sprinkler. Oh, because there's no rain here.
Then turn right onto Highway 800. For 80 kilometers, continue straight.
Hey guys, I'm going to take a nap. I'm a bit sleepy, so should wake up 6 a.m. Yeah, so I need to recharge. See you later. Bye. So good morning again. Just woke up.
I never slept.
And here we arrive in our hotel, and I'm so excited to check what's inside in this Waterton Bay and Spa and Resort. Let's go. So we are here already in the Bay Inn Resort and Spa. So we're going to check in at 3 p.m. So now we're like strolling around and see what's going on here. Let's get inside.
And X. Drew, stay for tonight, right? You bet. Yeah, people are still. Yeah, no. Good morning. Hi. Hi. We are paid for the 2 rooms. So it's already paid. It's already paid.
Kuya, ngiti ka. What do you call it, this hotel?
What do we call what? That hotel? That's the. Hold on, I can do this.
Hi, my love.
Hi.
You're so handsome there.
You know.
So we're going to the boat to check the ticket, if what time is the available. We're going to do some boat ride today.
Maybe the water is too. Hi. Are we allowed to pay for a 2 o'clock ride?
Yeah, for sure.
Oh, nice.
How many would you like?
2.
Here's all my residence.
Yes.
I see your driver's license.
So guys, we're going to touch the water, how cold it is. So let's check if we can go for swimming. I don't know. Let's see. Cold.
Yeah, he's not actually surfing, right? He's like, if we're doing a. Maybe it's the mini donuts. That's probably.
So guys, we're here in the downtown. We're going to check some of the stores. Just to check, that's it. We're not buying anything, we just want to check. So we changed our mind. We're going to eat first because I'm so hungry. I never had my breakfast. So we're looking for the best restaurant. place to eat here.
Oh, wait, are we in a restaurant? Yeah, I guess.
There's a restaurant.
Yeah, it's in here or outside.
I thought they were going to be a little more.
Please wait.
Hi.
Here for lunch?
Yeah.
For two?
Yes, please.
Inside or out?
I'm surprised you're here.
So we're inside. We already ordered our food. We ordered chili. It's chili.
It's hot, but it's chilly.
It's a soup. Soup.
It's a sub. No, it's a soupy stew thing.
Oh, and I ordered special chicken
Smoked.
smoked chicken wing because it's smoky outside.
So everything here is smoked. Smoked salad.
The banana wings. Do you want
Thanks
an
a lot.
extra plate or are you good?
I think we're good.
Okay.
Yeah, thank you. Scooter drinks or strollers, so. No strollers, babe.
Hmm?
No strollers in here.
What's wrong?
Oh, like when you push babies in one. Camping without.
Oh, this is cool. So guys, we're going to the Prince Edward Hotel. So medyo, it's a little bit far, so we need to ride on a car going there. And let's see what's inside there. How beautiful it is. So guys, we are here. It's so very windy. Hindi ako nakakapagkuha ng magandang pictures kasi the hair goes to my face. But it's stunning and it's so amazing here. I'll show you.
Blowing us up. The wind isn't blowing us up.
Oh my God, sobrang windy. Oh my God.
Feels so weird now without the wind.
The wind is so strong, guys, so we decided to go here. We hide on the hotel because my hair is trying to fall off.
My hair is good too.
My boyfriend's hair is still good, still intact. Check here. So we're done with our what's the name of the hotel?
Prince of Wales.
Prince of Wales. Did I say it right? Did I see a...
I think it's of Prince of Wales. I don't know. We'll see right here.
Yeah, Prince of Wales.
There's a prince and a Wales, but we don't know if there's an of. There is an of.
Yeah, so we're going back because we have a boat ride at 2 p.m. So we only have like 40 minutes, so we're going there. Baka malate pa kami. So nandito na kami, guys. We're here. Having a lineup. There's a long queue. So we're waiting. So we're going inside the boat. So we're inside the boat, guys. Ready to swim.
Come for a boat ride, hot summer day here in the park. Got a heat warning in effect. And on the upper deck, we're also equipped with 2 self-inflating. We had to abandon ship today on our tour. So if you're monitoring that, it is also available. If you have questions, north and east bordering. Directly ahead of us, Mount Richards. All our local First Nations. Local cliff jumping spot, actually. Locals will come here, they'll climb up along this cliff. And there's an overhang up there, about 150 feet. 2 to 3 feet off from the cliff, there's over 80 feet of water. So we nicknamed this bay the Chapel. Prior to COVID, we'd get a lot of weddings that would charter our cruise vessels. Just got to make sure the wind doesn't pick up. Otherwise, that marriage ends up on the rocks. A capital A-shaped fold followed by a V-shaped fold. Right. Essentially, that shows that rock can bend, buckle, and fold without breaking, with no external heat source. Upthrust occurred, and the mountain building process began in this region. And that fold there, a miniature example of the erosion. name known as Autonoxis. Autonoxis translates to the markers coming into view. They're called obelisks. You line the two obelisks up exactly one in front of the other. The world's first international peace park. It was formed back in 1932. That's when Rotarians from both Montana and Alberta came together and they lobbied their respective federal government. Called point source water. Some of the freshest, cleanest water found anywhere on planet Earth. You can dip a glass in there, you down there. It's a backpacker's paradise. Who knew trees didn't grow on the border? Believe it or not. Bears Hump. You can hike up there. 1.5 kilometers. If you did, like I said, my name is Mike. If you did not, my name is Ron. We're on Facebook. We're on TripAdvisor.
So that's our boat ride experience. It's highly recommended, guys, when you're going here in Waterton. You will cross to the US borders with no, you need to quarantine. So
No passport.
no passport and everything. It's a good idea. So we're heading to our hotel because we need to have some rest and continue. Just kidding. Just kidding. There it is.
AC.
Yay. Upstairs our hotel. So we're inside our hotel. So we're going to check. At least we have balcony. And you can see the mountains and the lakes. So it's a good spot for us. I love this. It's not that big, but it's so very comfortable so far. Hi, babe!
Hi.
So I'm going to check the washroom, guys. So that's the sink. We have some cleansing bar and some blower, mirror, some towels. This is fun. Yeah, I love this shower gel. Oh, it's a bamboo. It's amazing.